Hello students, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Revolve Command. So let's take up a new document, and if you want to name your part anything, you can just name it and click part. In case you are not confirmed with the part dimensions, you can uncheck this use default template and click OK, and then you can either choose or the inch part system for the solid modeling. So I'm taking as of now system, and I'll click OK. In order to use the revolve command, we should have a center line defining the axis of the rotation and a closed loop geometry that is going to be revolved. So let's come to the front view and take up a sketch and just click sketch here and take a center line, the third option in the line command, and draw an axis. Once it is done, you can take any shape of your choice. So I am taking a rectangle for now. Done. Now you can dimension it accordingly. So let's say your half section goes at certain distance, let's say 100, and let's say the other dimensions remains 20. So I'm just keeping it for demo. So 20, and then this should be 10. Okay, so we have this, and let's just confirm it, and we have this here. Now you can see the next command to extrude is revolve, and once you take up with that, you can see that you are done with this. Now the next question is how much rotation you want. You want a 90-degree rotation, so you can see you have a 90-degree rotation here, or you can go up with the 180, like that, any angle of your choice. So just confirm it, and there you have a revolved part. So you can follow up with this video and get your assignment done. Thank you very much.